Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today, in this video, I'm going to show you how to clear all search history on TikTok. Please consider subscribing to my channel and liking this video. Let's get started, guys. Step 1. First, open the TikTok app and find the home screen menu. Step 2. Now click on your profile icon, located on the right side corner of the screen. Step 3. Next, click on the 3 lines option at the top right of the screen. Step 4. Now, locate the Settings and Privacy option at the bottom of the screen and click on it. Step 5. Next, scroll down the menu, find the Activity Center option and click on it. Step 6. Now, locate the Search History option and click on it. Then, view all the search history you've typed previously. Step 7. Next, locate the Select option, tap on it, and then tap on the Select All Search History option. Step 8. For the last and most important step, tap on the Delete All option and confirm by tapping on Delete. All search history from your account will be deleted instantly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.